Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. So today I'm coming at you with a tutorial on how to get soft beachy waves using a straightener. I did not use any curler or any tong for this. I just use a straightener, and let me tell you guys, I absolutely loved how my hair turned out. I've never actually done this before. I usually do like loose curls, but I absolutely loved how the waves looked on my face. And if you guys want to see, just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing here, I'm just going to brush my hair and then I'll section them. I'm just using my rubber band to section them and just using a bobby pin to keep those bangs away. Let me know what you guys think of this lipstick. I loved it. So coming back to tutorial, now I'm just going to take a small section, and with a straightener what you need to do is just see here. So I'm just like moving it, turning the hair inwards and then moving the straightener outwards. So as you run the straightener through your hair, all you have to do is just move it down and up. You will guys know, like, look here again. So I'm taking another section. Make sure your section is not so big. So that's all I'm doing, like creating a kind of zigzag with the straightener. So repeating the same process until I'm done with all of my hair. I'm actually thinking to go even shorter with my hair. For some reason I'm getting obsessed with short hairs. So here, doing the same process, now you can see it clearly on the other side. It's very easy actually. You just need to get used to doing this. It didn't take me so long. It took me like 10 minutes, I would say, to do this, which isn't bad. So the process is really easy, and I don't think so I need to explain more, so I will keep my mouth shut and let you guys enjoy the music. And here is the final look. I absolutely loved how my hair turned out. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think of these, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video and give this video a thumbs up. And that's all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.